Buddy, how's it going? I'm gonna make this a little bit smaller. I'm doing
Hello.
fixing this live because I want a little bit tinier. Okay, so how is everything? How about those?
What kind of view do you have there?
I have the best view in the entire galaxy. Actually, Jeremiah, this is the perfect view. I don't know what you're talking about. That's why I had to make us smaller because I need to access to those coordinates, if you know what I mean.
Mm-hmm. Totally.
So, as we are still continuing our let's do, comment in chat what your favorite part of Deadpool was. I have to know.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what are we doing?
Well, we are trying to eradicate automaton forces.
Are we? Is that what we're doing?
Basically, kill automatons to reduce their numbers. It's 15 minutes.
It still says spooky games and Deadpool spoilers. It should just be Helldivers and Deadpool spoilers. Oopsie. Too bad. I ain't changing it now. All right, let's. Excuse me. Let's do it. Let's do it to it. Jeremiah, let's do it to it.
Mission coordinates
Oh.
locked.
Okay.
Hellpods primed.
Get in my pod.
Wanna be in that pod?
Get in my pod.
No thrusters.
How do I dive? Dive in that pod too.
Dive. Get in my pod, Jeremiah. Get in.
Orbit initiated.
Hellpod launch initiated. You stupid cunt.
And we're getting shot. They're sending us into basically the automatons' small little village. You know,
Oh, yeah.
they're just leaving their peaceful robot lives in there.
It's a quiet village.
Little town, it's a quiet village.
And then we just jump in there and just start killing
Fuck
them.
shit up. Sounds very American.
This is Super Earth.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Sounds very super American.
This is it. This is the solemn duty for which you were born.
Oh, bitch.
Defend democracy at any cost.
Calling down a support weapon.
Where's my
Requesting sentry.
There's a sentry over there.
Yeah, I dropped some sentries too.
I can't see. Okay. That wasn't good at all. Oh, I was looking at that one. The one that paralyzes everybody?
Yeah,
I don't know if it was gonna be any good
for a
or
little
not.
bit. It's pretty good. Depends on how you use it, I guess. Oh no, my gun overheated.
Jeremiah,
Where
what
did
if
I get shot?
What if I told you about overheating your gun? Oh, from behind. Stupid bitch.
Well, I guess that makes sense. Might want to find you might want to find cover.
I wasn't covered. I was covering my asshole. Are we just surviving for 15 minutes or whatever?
Yeah. Kind of. We need to get to 100%.
Okay.
Calling in orbital strike.
Oh, oops, 2 orbitals in the same location. Don't worry. It's gonna work.
Out of ammo.
I'm trying to reload. Oh yeah. Oh,
I
I
thought
should.
you were dead.
I should do the supply thingy. Ah, 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 ah.
Requesting tac pack. Bots.
That guy's glitched.
Mags empty. New mag. Mags empty.
Grenade
Throwing grenade. Drop ship.
from behind. From behind, you say?
Mags empty.
From behind. Oh! Where did you come from?
From behind, they say.
One life for Super Earth.
Fuck.
Ow!
They're all at cooldowns.
Oh man, I threw that too far.
How do I use my backpack thingy? How do I use it?
Yeah, I don't know. Never used it, so I'm not familiar.
Drop ship.
Ow! Dude, stop shooting me.
Negative.
I'm trying to shoot you.
I'm pressing buttons.
That's how that works.
What the fuck? Dude, this is. I guess this is not the time to fucking learn how to do it.
Drop ship.
Yeah, your supply pack. I don't know how to use that.
Yeah, behind you. It's a lot. Got eliminated. Supply -1.
Mission at 10 minutes remaining.
We're almost there.
Almost there. What can I do? Bitch, 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 bitch. Okay, reload.
Democracy.
Oh,
Democracy.
there it is.
Layer extraction.
Oh gosh.
Yeah, sorry, I brought a party.
This is Pelican 1.
I don't. I don't see why this is a party.
It's a party.
This is Pelican 1. Preparing for touchdown.
Pelican, it's coming.
Bye. Oh my god!
Oh,
Pelican 1. Preparing
I'm gonna die.
Ah!
I'm dead.
Dude, as soon as I fucking
didn't
got in
extract.
there, someone just shot me, like, threw me out. It was great.
I think that was the. Cause I dropped an orbital.
Oh, might have been that.
Probably exploded next to you.
Great mission. Yeah, I don't know how to fuck to use that the pack.
Yeah. 'Cause even with the PlayStation, I don't know how to do that either. How to use supply.
ウェルカムトゥーザゲームルーム